Hi! So get ready with me to go to work. So for today, this will be my top. And binili ko lang to sa my TikTok shop for only 109 pesos only. So, Viva tawag dyan. I really don't know like sa mga names or like how you classify tops, pants, and all. I really need to study that one. But this one is just like this one, like ganyan. And also, ganyan siya. Hindi naman siya swimsuit. Or pwede mo lang siya gawing swimsuit. But then again, sa seller na nagsasell nito, sabi niya is top. So, let's try it on. So, this is the top. Kapag sinuot na siya, I know, sobrang sexy. But then again, hindi pa naman ito yung outfit ko na pang work. So, maglalagay tayo ng pants. But, pwede mo na siyang gawing swimsuit. Ang ganda niya pala. Oops, dyan lang. Stop. At for the pants, I'll be wearing this one. I don't know, low-rise ba to? And, yes, para makita yung dito at yung dito natin, yung balakang natin na sobrang pakak. Diba? Kapag maganda yung katawan mo, i-expose mo. Right? Ganyan pala siya sa likod. So, ayan. Kala nyo naman maggaganyan ako sa work. Hindi, no? Baka mag-run away yung mga employees doon kapag nakita nila na ganun lang ako. So, nilagyan ko na siya. And this is how it looks. Diba? Hindi halatang 109 pesos lang to. Sa pagdala lang talaga yan ng outfit. Kalain mo yun. At ito pala yung susuotin ko for the footwear. And this is also from TikTok shop. And the store is called Viden. So this is for the final look. And nagdala ako ng jacket dahil hindi pwede na ganito tayo sa work. And, hello! Sobrang ganda. Sobrang Latina in Philippines. Yun lang, bye!